So you have the foot massager by Renpho. Now in this video, I'm going to show you everything that you receive with this and then a quick guide on how to use it so you know exactly what to expect when yours arrives. But here's what you get. So you get the massager itself. It comes fully assembled, so you don't have to put anything together. Super, super easy. You can get the remote control. I can control it, so you can be sitting back, use the remote to turn it on and off, and do whatever you want to do with it. And then you do get the power outlet here. So it does have to be plugged in to work, but as you can see, this is pretty long, so you're going to easily be able to sit on your couch, at your desk, in your recliner, anything like that, and be using this. But now at this point, I'm going to bring the camera a little bit closer here so you can see all the controls, and I'll show you how it works. Okay, and here's what that control pad looks like. So you can see we have our knead intensity, air intensity, so you can have different types of massages. If you want more of like an air pressure massage, that'll be this one. Kneading's more like kind of pushing on you or rubbing on you, and circular motions with the balls that are going to be in there. You can do heat if you want it, and then time. And what's cool about all these is all customizable, so they have 3 levels to them. So maybe you want a high air intensity massage with heat, but no kneading, so you don't have to turn it on, or you can just do a low knead with a little bit of air intensity and heat, or however you want to customize it. So it's all really, really easy to use. So how this works is super simple. So we're just going to put our feet into it. Okay, now once we got it in there, I am going to use the remote control, and as you can see here, get it focused in. There we go. All the same controls are exactly the same as they're showing on there. So if you want to use the remote, you can do it, or you can just click the buttons on there. Totally, totally up to you. But how it works is we're just powered on. And let's say we're going to do a little bit of kneading, so I'm going to go get that up to medium. Actually, we'll do high. Air intensity, I'm going to leave low, and then heat, I would like to do a medium heat, and we're going to do this for 20 minutes. So this is like the perfect way to come home from work, just sit down, get a heated massage on your feet. Just makes it feel so good and so relaxed after a tough day of work, especially if you are a job that you're walking around. That kneading that goes on there just kind of pushes up against your feet. And honestly, it feels really, really good. So I love doing this, especially after a workout too. So if I go on a long hike or something, my feet ache, perfect way to remedy that. But very, very happy with this. I give it 2 thumbs up.